Hi everyone, it's Claire back again. So I'm back with Glossybox, yay! Gone is Birchbox UK and back in is Glossybox. Well, actually, I have only got the one box, but I'm actually going to go for the 3 monthly subscription. But yeah, I'm just glad that I've got Glossybox again, so that must be a good sign. Let's see, I don't know. I think this is there was a trick or treat box, and this is obviously the treat box. Yeah, so let's see what's inside. Ooh, I missed this. Okay, so we'll move the card out of the way and let's just open this up. Ooh. Right, okay, first of all is Luna by Luna, and this is Luna Cosmetics Translucent Powder. It's a setting powder. You can tell I'm not great with makeup, and also it went everywhere. So I tried to get the lid off and it just ended up going everywhere. So I am going to keep this because I don't have any setting powder, and it says it soaks up excess oils. So I think, yeah, I'll probably use a brush rather than this. But yeah, I'm making a mess everywhere here. I think that's supposed to split, but I was about to break my nail, which wasn't going to happen. So I'll figure that out, but that's the Luna by Luna setting powder. Okay, I'm going to grab the thing that looks really interesting to me, and I think somebody mentioned in this box is a very bright pink Illamasqua Nebula. Antimatter lipstick from Illamasqua. Nebula. I'm not having a good time at all today, am I? Okay. Right, let's give this a go. That is a very bright pink matte lipstick. It's actually quite similar to the Too Faced lipstick that I got in a Birchbox a couple of months ago. But it's Illamasqua, and I'm guessing that it's going to be a really good lipstick for the formula. It's going to have staying power. So actually I'm quite pleased with that. So that's the lipstick. This is a Set and Reflect finishing kit. So this is a duo compact again with a finishing powder. So that's a finishing powder and a white highlighting powder. Lots of powder in this box. Oh right, so it's a kind of mixture. Okay, I quite like that actually. That is a nice shimmer. Luminescent glow for a delicate and luxurious finish. Hi. So I'll give that a go, but it's lots of powder. Okay, and here we have a sleek eyeshadow palette, Oh So Special, I Divine. So it's a mixture of shimmers and matte shades, and I do have a sleek palette, and actually it's a pretty good one. Oh, I'm sneezing because of all the powder. So that is a mixture of shimmers and mattes. Let's have a look. So I'm going to try this matte, this shimmer, and I think that is Organza. That's a nice shimmer. Let me try this one. That is a great shimmer. My hands are so dry at the moment. And let me try this black matte. Oh yeah. That actually is a great black. So that is the sleek Oh So Special palette. Really happy with that. And then we have, oh, we've had one of these before. This is the In Transit Camera Close-Up. So it's a primer, moisturiser and a mask all in one. And I have used this and it's actually pretty good. So it kind of closes pores, and yeah, it feels great on the skin actually. So this is a sample, 20 millilitres, and I'm quite happy with that. So happy with this. I've used it before. Interested in trying using the powder, although I need to wear makeup more. I've not been wearing much recently. I do like this palette though, so I'm going to try and have a play around with that. And the very, very bright pink lipstick Nebula from Illamasqua. Actually, I've just noticed that there are two parts to this. So that, I'm guessing, is the highlighter, and this is, I think this is you mattifying with this and then highlighting with this. And apparently this was made famous by being featured in a video by Nikki Tutorials. So yeah, that's the Makeup Academy Look Set and Reflect Finishing Kit. So yeah, I'm actually quite pleased with that. I think I'm going to be getting the 3 monthly subscription. If you've been wondering what is on my nails, this is Clare Dares, which is from the Nail Ninja collection from Ada's Nails. So this is my namesake polish. I absolutely love it. It's kind of silvery grey base but packed with holographic and green sparks with this pink shimmer in there as well. I absolutely love it. Yeah, so apart from my nails, I'm quite happy with the Glossybox. I'm going to do the 3-month subscription. Let me know if you picked up this box, if you're happy with the contents. What about the 2 powders? I don't know, I perhaps would have preferred another skincare item. It's quite makeup heavy, but I'm still happy with that. Yeah, so I will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching. Bye!